Good morning to all of you. So I'm here again, and hope you're doing very well. So today we are going to discuss about the world of pronoun. Very good morning, all of you. Okay, very good morning. So today in this class we will discuss about the world of pronouns. Okay, today we discuss about what? The world of pronoun. Okay, I think all of you, you have some little bit knowledge about or some knowledge about pronouns. In our previous class, we discussed about nouns, and in this class, we discuss about pronouns. Okay. So first, we have to know what is pronoun. Okay. So first, we have to know about what is pronoun. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay. And also, you have to note in your copy. Okay. Be ready. If you have any doubt, then you have to ask me. So today first we have to know what is pronoun. What is pronoun? Who can say? What is pronoun? You can see that a pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun to avoid repetition. To avoid repetition and make sentences easier to read and understand. That means a pronoun is used in the place of a noun to avoid the repetition and the make sentence easier to read and easier to understand. Okay. Or you can say that in a simple way, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. Okay. Understood? First we know why do you use pronoun. Okay. First we have to know. Okay, I'm just making a little bit. Okay. You can see that why do we use pronouns. First we have to know. We first discuss about nouns, why we use nouns. Okay, then we are discussing why we use pronouns. First number, to avoid the repetition of the same noun again and again. In a sentence we write same noun again and again. To avoid that thing, that's why we are discussing noun. To make sentence shorter and smoother. Shorter and smoother. These two parts. And to improve communication and writing. When you are writing, if you use one word in a sentence more and more or 2 or 3 times, so it is not very perfect. It is not very good. So you have to add some new words. That's why your sentence make meaningful and understandable. Understand? Okay. For example, first you have to know without pronouns, then with pronoun. Okay. I'm giving here 2 examples. First, we have to discuss without pronouns repetition or with pronouns. Okay. So Ria is a good girl. So first sentence we are discussing about Ria. Ria is a good girl. And then Ria studies in class 7. Okay. Or you can see that Ria studies in class 7. And Ria helps everyone. And also same, Ria helps everyone. You can see there are how many times I use Ria? 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. In without pronouns or repetition. Okay. So in these 3 sentences, I use Ria. I used Ria for 3 times. Now, which pronoun we have to discuss? Which pronouns? Okay, you can see that Ria is a good girl. First I note, right? Ria is a good girl. Then in second line, I used for Ria She studies in class 7. Okay. For Ria, I use she as here a pronoun. And she helps everyone. Again, I use she in the place of Ria. So you can see she is here our pronouns to avoid the repetition of a word. Okay. You can see that here she is a pronoun because it replaces the noun Ria. That means she, it replaces the noun. Who is noun here? Ria. For examples, more example. Okay. Again, for more example, Rahul has a bicycle. Rahul rides Rahul's bicycle every day. That means Rahul is a boy here, and Rahul has a bicycle, and he rides his bicycle every day. Okay, that is without pronoun. In this three sentence, I'm using that without pronouns. But if I use pronouns, it it makes shorter the sentence. Okay, with pronouns, Rahul has a bicycle. He rides his bicycle every day. You can see there are these three lines and these three lines. Who is shorter? When I use pronouns, that means it makes the sentence shorter and easier to understand. So Rahul has a bicycle. He rides his bicycle every day. Okay. So what is pronoun? Who can say? Who can say what is pronoun? You can see that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence, and to avoid the repetition and make sentence easier and easier to read and easier to understand. Then we have to discuss types of pronouns. Okay. Okay. So noun is going classified into 7 types. Okay. So there are how many types of noun? 7 types of noun. First one is your personal, types of pronoun. There are 7 types of pronoun. There are, first is your personal pronoun. Second one is your possessive pronoun. Third one is your reflexive pronoun. And fourth one is your relative pronoun. Fifth one is your demonstrative pronoun. Seventh one is your interrogative pronoun. And sixth one. Then seventh one is your indefinite pronoun. There are how many types? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also 7. There are how many types? 7 types of pronoun. Okay. Personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, and also demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Okay. One by one, we'll discuss details in this class. So first, we have to discuss about what? First is our personal pronoun. Okay. Students, open your copy and note with me. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Okay. So first, we have to discuss about what? Personal pronoun. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Very good morning to all. Very good morning. Okay. So our first one is our personal pronouns. Small words and big role. Okay. Pronouns is a small word and it has a big role. Okay. So first we have to know what are personal pronouns. Okay. Students, personal pronouns are the pronouns that are used in the place of name of people, animal, place, or thing. Okay. You can see that if personal pronouns is used in the place of the names of people, animal, place, or things. Okay. They help us to avoid repetition the same noun again and again. and it also helps us to avoid the repeating the same noun again and again. Okay. Okay, you can note that definition in your copy. Okay, you can note it. Definition of pronouns, personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that takes the place of a noun and refers to a specific person, animal, place, or thing. Okay. You can see some personal, wait. Okay, I think you know persons. So some common personal pronouns are first person, second person, third person. Okay, you have to note it first. You have to note it first. Be quick. Personal pronouns. Some common personal pronouns. First person, singular or plural. You use singular nouns and plural nouns. First, we have to know what are the singular personal pronouns and what are the plural personal pronouns. So first person is I refers to a singular person. Okay. If I say we refers to a plural person. If I say you is here second person, and also in plural we have to use you as a second person. In third person, he, she, it, or you can say they. Okay. Then we have to know about types of personal pronouns. Okay, students, you can see types of personal pronouns. There are how many types? There are how many types? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So first we have to know about first person pronouns, then second person pronouns, then third person pronouns. Okay. So it is used by the speaker to refer himself or herself or a group. Please note it carefully. Now the first person pronouns used by the speaker. Speaker means who speak, or the speaker. That means you yourself. Refer to himself or herself or a group. If I say I am a teacher, if I say I am a teacher, that means I refers to me by himself, myself. And I am a student, you are saying I am a student, that means I refers to the poet, the speaker, himself. We are playing football. If you say we are playing football, we refer to the your group. Okay, we refer to the group. Then in second person pronouns, okay, very good morning. Very good morning to all. Very good morning. Okay, second person pronouns used to refer to the person being spoken to. Okay, that means if you are pointing someone, or if you are used for referring, you are referring another person. At that time, you have to use second person pronouns. So what is our second person pronoun? That is our you. Okay, that means if I say you are my friend and you are very kind, that means I am pointing someone. Okay, that means I am saying you are my friend. I am pointing someone. That is the she is or he is my friend. Okay. Then third person pronouns. Okay, third person pronouns used to refer to the person, animal, thing being spoken about. Okay, that means in the sentence that things or animal or person is already spoken about. For example, he is my brother. That means I already told in this sentence we already know that someone is my brother, but I refer to he. Okay, he is using. That means already we discussed. Already we told you that is he is my brother. Okay, she is a teacher. He is used for boys, and she is used for girls. She is a teacher. Okay, it is a cat. It also. They are my classmates. If when you are saying they are my classmates, they refers to the third person pronouns. Then example of personal pronouns, you can see, note it. Examples, I. I refers to single first person. We also use in first person. You use in second person pronouns. She use in third person. And she also use in third person. It also and they. Okay, this is your one first person. This is, sorry. This is your second, and these for your third persons. Okay, so now who can say what is our first person? First person is our refers to I. In singular we use I, in plural we use we. Then second, in singular we use you, all same, and in plural also we use you. And third, we use also in singular he, she, and it, and also in plural, in third person we use they. Okay. Okay. I am here giving some sentence. So I am happy today. I am happy today. I refers to first person. I am happy. That means I am talking about myself. Okay, the speaker is talking about himself. We are learning English. We are learning. That means in the speaker is talking about the group. That's why he used we. And you, he is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. He is here used for whom? He is used for a specific person. Okay, he is riding a bicycle. He is used for a boy, and she is used for girl. It is also it is used in singular or plural. Who can say? It is it is sleeping under the tree. Okay, it is sleeping under the tree. It is here used as a singular or plural. Who can say? It is used here as a singular because it is our third personal singular pronoun. And they are playing in the park. They is used here as a what? Third person plural now pronouns. Okay. So I have some key points. Now personal pronouns replace nouns and they help avoid repetition in sentences. They tell us who is speaking and who is being spoken to. They tells us who is spoken in first pronoun, who is being spoken to is second, and who is being spoken about is your third. Okay, this was in your first, and this was your second pronoun, and this one is your third. Okay. Common personal pronouns, we already discussed about it. Some common personal pronouns. Okay. Okay. Easy take to remember. So how we can remember the first or you can say personal pronouns. So I and we used for first person, and you use here as a second person. He, she, it, and they are the third person. Okay. So I am here 5 examples or giving you the fill in the blanks. You have to do it in your homework. This is your homework. Okay. If you have any doubt, then I think you have to first carefully. You have to first listen or my class, and you have any doubt, then I think you can easily do in your copy. Okay, I'm going to do only one exercise, one question. Dash, I am a good girl. I am a good student. Dash, I am a good student. That means I am a good student. Okay, these 2, 3, 4, 5 is your homework. Okay, again, who can say what is personal pronoun? What is personal pronoun? A personal pronoun is a pronoun that takes the place of a noun and refers to a specific person, animal, place, or thing. Okay, this is your personal pronoun. Then personal pronoun is divided into three more types. Okay, yes, tell me what is your doubt. If you have doubt, okay, tell me. Tell me your doubt. What is your doubt? Be quick. We are discussing personal pronoun, then we go to the second part. Yes, tell me your what is your doubt? You can type your doubt. Acha, what is your common personal pronouns? Okay, you can see that. Common personal pronouns. These are the pronouns we are using in commonly. Okay, commonly is a sentence. Okay, for example, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. These are your common personal pronouns. We commonly use to avoid the repetition of noun. Okay. Again, any other question? Any other doubt? Any other doubt, students? Any other doubts? Otherwise, we can go to the next type. Okay, second personal pronoun. Second personal pronoun, you. You can see. Only you is your second personal pronoun. When you are using a sentence, at the time if you are using you, okay, that means you are, if I say you are a good student, you refers to second person, okay. Okay, shall we go to the second page or second type of pronoun? What is the second? Okay. What is our second pronoun? Our second is possessive pronouns. Okay. You have any other doubt? You can ask. You have any other doubt? Okay. Okay, that's good. Very good. You are participating with me. Very good, all of you. Okay. So second one is our possessive pronouns. Okay. Second one is our possessive pronouns. Okay. So what is possessive pronouns? Now possessive pronouns are the pronouns that shows the ownership. Okay, please remember this word. Ownership or possession. They tells us that something belongs to someone. And possessive pronouns tells us that something belongs to someone. Okay, that means something belongs to someone. Okay, it replaces a noun and So who owns it? That means it replaces a noun. If I say this is a stylus, okay, this is my stylus, that means that this stylus belongs to me. Okay, this is I have the ownership of this stylus. Okay, or you can note the definition. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows ownership or possessions without using a noun after it. Okay. When you are using possessive pronouns, okay, that means a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows ownership or possessions without using a noun after it. Okay. So there are some common possessive pronouns. Commonly we use. Okay, first we had possessive pronouns, personal pronouns. First we know what are the personal pronouns, and then we know what are the possessive pronouns. Okay, first we already in the first way type of pronouns we already discussed about a personal pronoun. What are the personal pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Okay, for I, we use possessive pronouns mine. Okay, for you, we use yours. For he, we use his. For she, we use hers. For it, we use its. For we, you use ours. For they, we use theirs. Okay, why I am using a star mark on it? Because its is usually used as a possessive adjective rather than a possessive pronoun. Okay. So first we know about what are the possessive pronouns. What are the possessive pronouns? 1, 2. Okay, these are our possessive pronouns. So one by one we will discuss now. So first is your mine. Mine here we refers to what? Mine. This book. If I say this book is mine, that means this book belongs to me. Okay. If the blue pen is mine, if I say the blue pen is mine, that means this blue pen is mine. You can see that if I say this blue pen is mine, that means this pen belongs to me. Okay, then yours. Is this bag yours? If I say is this bag is yours, that means yours. That means that bag belongs to you. The choice is yours. Wait, I think some of time you have to choose your. That means you have to decide your choice. Okay, what is your choice? You have to buy this bag or that size, anything, or that which color. Sometimes you have to choose your favorite color. You have to choose your favorite dress. You have to wear that dress or this dress. Okay. Then third one is we have to discuss his. His is used as the possessive pronoun for he. So this bicycle is his. That means this bicycle belongs to he, and for we are using his. That means this bicycle belongs to his. This pencil is his. That means this pencil is his. That means the pencil only belongs to that boy. Okay, horse. You can see the red dress is horse. The red dress is horse. That means the dress belongs to she. The notebook is horse, and horse again. Horse is used for what? She. Okay. Hours. Hours is used for first person pronouns in plural. Okay, first person pronoun we use we. For we in personal pronoun, in possessive pronouns we use ours. This playground, the playground is ours. That means if our school playground is ours, only for us, only for our school children. This classroom is ours. If I say this is our classroom, only the class 6 or 5 or only the class 7 is here, is going to study here. Okay, that means the class belongs to class 7. This classroom belongs to class 7. There. The toys are theirs. Okay. If I say the toys are there belongs to third personal pronoun. They, for they we use theirs. Okay. And their toys are theirs. And the house is theirs. Okay. You can see that this pencil is mine. That means the pencil belongs to me. That bag is yours. If that means that bag belongs to you. The cricket bat is his. That means the cricket bat belongs to him. His. The pink umbrella is hers. That means the umbrella belongs to she. Okay. The project is ours. That means the project belongs to we. These books are theirs. That means the books belong to them. Okay, theirs. First, we have to know difference between what is possessive pronoun, adjectives, and possessive pronouns. Okay. First, I'm going to clarify your doubts. First, we have to know. We have some doubt. I think you have doubts some in. Okay, good. Possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Okay. So if I say my books, that means if I say in possessive adjective, this is my book. That means the books belongs to me, or this book is mine. If I say your bag, that means the bag is yours. If I say his bicycle, the bicycle is his. If I say her dress, the dress is hers. If I say our classroom, that means the classroom is ours. If I say their toys, the toys are theirs. Okay. Then we have to know some key points about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, so ownership, yes, and they replace the noun. It is a common part. It tells us who owns something. Okay, it is important. Common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Okay. Easy take to remember possessive pronouns. So first, mine. Mine belongs to me. Okay. And yours belongs to you. His belongs to him. Hers belongs to her. Ours belongs to us. Theirs belongs to them. Okay. You can see. You can note it. Okay. I'm erasing the online. You can note it. Okay. Then I have some questions. I am some questions for you. Okay. This pencil belongs to me. That means it is what? Which possessive pronouns I have to use? Which possessive pronoun? Who can say? Who can say which possessive pronouns I have to use? This pencil belongs to me. It is dash. Which possessive pronouns I have to use? Who can say? Please, yes. One by one, yes. Very good. Mine. Very good, students. I have to use mine. That school bag belongs to you. It is what? Who can say? Who can say? Say the answer. No. Okay, you are saying first question is answer. Yes, yours. Very good. It is yours. Okay, in this way, you can do it 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The football belongs to him. It is that. What is the answer? Question number 3. The football belongs to him. It is. Answer please. Answer please. It is his. Okay, you can do one by one. Then first, okay, remember what is our possessive pronouns? Okay, first you please remember this. Now, possessive pronouns is the pronoun that shows ownership or possessions without using a noun after it. Okay. Any doubt in possessive pronouns? You can ask to me. Any doubt regarding possessive pronouns? No, no, we can't use playing. No, no. Okay. Now I am going to go to the third pronouns. What is the third pronouns? Reflexive pronouns. Okay. So what is the third pronouns? What is the third pronouns? Answer. That is our reflexive pronoun. That means the action reflects back. Okay. That means the action reflects back. Okay. What are reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refers to back to the subject of a sentence. Okay. It refers to back to the subject of a sentence. They are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same person, animal or thing. Okay. Listen carefully. Now, reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that reflects back to the subject and ends in self or self. Okay. It is very easy to find out reflexive pronoun in a sentence. Okay. Now it ends with self or self. Okay. So you can note it. What is reflexive pronouns in a copy? A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that refers back to the subject of a sentence, and they are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person, animal or thing. Okay. Note it, please. Note it. Note it, please. Then we have to discuss. Okay, good. Very good. I'm very happy that you are participating. You are asking some questions to me. Very good, students. Good. Okay. Okay. Some common reflexive pronouns. Common reflexive pronouns. First we know first personal pronouns, then we know which reflexive pronoun we have to use. For I, we have to use myself. For you, we have to use yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. You, in plural, ourselves. They, in plural, themselves. Okay. You can see ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. It is used in the plural. Okay. So one by one we have to discuss. Okay. First we have to discuss about myself. Okay. I completed the project myself. That means I completed this the project myself. That means only I, with the help of, with my hard work, I completed my project myself. I made a cake myself. That means I made the cake. Okay, for myself. I made the cake myself. Then you should do your homework yourself. That means when I or your teachers giving some homework, okay, to you, that means they told you that you have to do your homework yourself. Okay. Did you paint this picture yourself? I think you have colors when you color your pictures in specific ways. Then someone is going to ask you, did you paint this picture yourself? आपने खुद ऐसे picture painting किए हैं? Okay, that means at that time you have to use yourself. Then himself. He repaired the bicycle himself. He repaired the bicycle himself. Okay. He repaired. That means he himself repaired his bicycle. The boy dressed himself. Okay. The boy dressed himself. If you look, so the boy is looking very good. Okay. The boy dressed himself. Then herself for use for girls. She prepared the food herself. That means prepared food. See, your mother is preparing food for not herself. She prepared food for your family. Okay, good morning. Atulya, very good morning. Okay. Then the girl taught herself to draw. Okay. Then itself, the cat cleaned itself. The machine switched itself off. Okay. Then ourselves, we enjoyed ourselves at picnic. We completed the work ourselves. Then yourself. Yourselves. You should behave yourself. Help yourself to some snacks. Okay. Then you can see there are some sentences using possessive pronouns. Sorry. Reflexive pronouns. Okay. You can note or you can note in your copy. I taught myself. Very easy to find. Okay. You can do it. Then himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. These are our what? These are what? Who can say? We are discussing which pronouns? We are discussing which pronouns? Very good morning. We are discussing which pronouns? Who can say? Reflexive pronouns. Okay. And I'm giving homework to you. Okay. Students. Today I'm here. We just end our class here. Then tomorrow, tomorrow we'll discuss about. We'll discuss about. Wait. We'll discuss about. We'll discuss about reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and iterative pronoun, and indefinite pronouns. Okay. So thank you all.